Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized the way we interact with technology, and Microsoft Excel is no exception. The integration of AI in Excel has opened up new possibilities for data analysis and decision-making that were previously not feasible. One of the most significant benefits of AI in Excel is predictive analytics. With the help of machine learning algorithms, Excel can analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions based on patterns and trends. For example, a business can use AI in Excel to predict future sales based on historical data, which can help them make better-informed decisions about inventory management and marketing strategies. Excel's AI capabilities also include natural language processing, NLP, which enables users to ask questions in plain language and receive answers in a format that is easy to understand. This feature allows even non-technical users to extract insights from complex data sets, making it a valuable tool for businesses of all sizes. Another essential use case of AI in Excel is data visualization. Excel's AI-powered charts and graphs allow users to quickly and easily present data in a way that is visually appealing and easy to understand. With AI-generated insights, businesses can make data-driven decisions, reduce human error, and improve overall efficiency. Excel's AI capabilities are not limited to predictive analytics, NLP, and data visualization. The software can also use AI to automate decision-making processes, such as flagging fraudulent transactions or recommending the best course of action for a given scenario. In conclusion, the integration of AI in Excel has transformed the way we analyze data and make decisions. With AI-generated insights, businesses can make more informed decisions, reduce errors, and improve overall efficiency. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advanced capabilities in Excel and other software platforms in the future.